Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the repository locally so you can work. Clone the remote, then immediately create a named feature branch so your work stays isolated. This prevents accidental commits to main. Once done, confirm the remote origin and branch list. Make sure you push the branch upstream with git push uorigin feature/name. This gives you a shared reference. You do this because branches let multiple people work in parallel, without conflicting changes, until you're ready to merge. You now make focused commits with clear, short messages that describe why, not what. Stage related changes together. Avoid giant commits. Once committed locally, fetch the latest from main and rebase your feature branch onto origin/main so your history stays linear and easy to review. If conflicts appear, resolve them, test, then continue the rebase with git rebase continue. Make sure to run your tests or a quick build after resolving conflicts so you don't push broken code to reviewers. You push your branch and open a pull request that explains context, risk, and steps to test. Reviewers need concise guidance. Address review comments with new commits or interactive fixes. Once approved, merge using the team's strategy, squash, rebase, or merge commit, and delete the remote branch. If CI or tests fail after merging, revert or fix quickly. Troubleshooting tip. If history gets messy, create a fresh branch from origin/main. Cherry-pick your valid commits, then force push with caution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.